त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पतान शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनम्। ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमो नित्यम्। भद्रकाल्यै नमो नमः। वेदवेदान्तवेदाङ्ग विद्यास्थानेभ्यैव च सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिं। व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः। अचतुर्वदनो ब्रह्मा द्विबाहुरपरो हरिः अभाललोचनः शम्भुः भगवान् बादरायणः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Eighty-fifth Sutra onwards. Please repeat. Anukrutestasya cha api cha smaryate shabdadeva pramitaha हृद्यपेक्षया तु मनुष्याधिकारत्वात् तद उपर्यपि बादरायणः संभवात् विरोधः कर्मणीति चेन्नानेक प्रतिपत्तिर्दर्शनात्। शब्द इति चेत् न अतः प्रभवा प्रत्यक्षानुमानाभ्याम् अतएव च नित्यत्वम् समान नाम रूपत्वाच्च वृत्तौ अपि अविरोधो दर्शनात्। स्मृतिश्च page 334. Second paragraph. Syadetat स्वापि पुरुषांतर व्यवहार विच्छेदात् स्वयं च पुरुषांतर व्यवहार अविच्छेदात् स्वयं च सुप्त बुद्धस्य पूर्व प्रबोध व्यवहार अनुसंधान संभवा अविरुद्धम महाप्रलये तु सर्व व्यवहार उच्छेदा जन्मांतर व्यवहार वच्च कल्पांतर व्यवहारस्य अनुसंधातुम् अशक्यत्वात् वैषम्यमिति नैष दोषः सत्यपि सर्वव्यवहार उच्छेदनी महाप्रलये परमेश्वर अनुग्रहात् ईश्वराणाम् हिरण्यगर्भादीनाम् कल्पांतर व्यवहार अनुसंधानोपपत्तैः यद्यपि प्राकृताः प्राणिनः न जन्मांतर व्यवहारम् अनुसंदधाना दृश्यन्ते इति तथापि न प्राकृतवद ईश्वराणां भवितव्यम् यथा हि प्राणित्व अविशेषे अपि मनुष्यादि स्तंभ पर्यन्तेषु ज्ञानैश्वर्यादि प्रतिबंधः परेण परेण भूयान् भवन् दृश्यते तथा मनुष्यादिषु एव हिरण्यगर्भपर्यन्तेषु ज्ञानैश्वर्यादि अभिव्यक्तिरपि परेण परेण भूयसी भवति इति एतच्छ्रुति स्मृतिवादेषु असकृत् अनुश्रूयमाणम् न शक्यं नास्तीति वदितुम् ततश्च अतीत कल्पानुष्ठित प्रकृष्ट ज्ञान कर्मणाम् ईश्वराणाम् हिरण्यगर्भादीनां वर्तमानकल्पादौ प्रादुर्भवताम् परमेश्वर अनुगृहीतानां सुप्त प्रतिबुद्धवत् कल्पांतर व्यवहार अनुसंधानोपपत्तिः तथा च श्रुतिः यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वम् यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तं ह देवम् आत्मबुद्धिप्रकाशम् मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये इति स्मरन्ति च शौनकादयो मधुच्छन्दः प्रभृतिभिः ऋषिभिः दर्शितयो द्रष्टाः इति प्रतिवेदं चैवम् एव काण्डर्षादयः स्मर्यन्ते श्रुति अपि ऋषिज्ञानपूर्वकम् एव मंत्रेण अनुष्ठानं दर्शयति यो हवा विदित आर्षेण छंदो देवत ब्राह्मणेन मंत्रेण याजयति यो हवा अविदित आर्षेय छंदो दैवत ब्राह्मणेन मंत्रेण याजयति वा अध्यापयति वा स्थाणुं वञ्चति गर्तं वा प्रतिपद्यते इति उपक्रम्य तस्मादेतानि मंत्रे मंत्रे विद्यातिथि प्राणिनां च सुखप्राप्ते धर्मो विधीयते दुःख परिहाराय च अधर्मः प्रतिषिध्यते दृष्ट अनुश्रविक सुख दुःख विषयौ च राग द्वेषौ भवतो न विलक्षण विषयौ इति यतः धर्म फलभूतोत्तरा सृष्टिः निष्पद्यमाना पूर्वसृष्टिः सदृश्य इव निष्पद्यते स्मृतिश्च भवति तेषां ये यानि कर्माणि प्राक् सृष्ट्यां प्रतिपेदिरे तानि एव ते प्रपद्यन्ते सृज्यमानाः पुनः पुनः हिंस्रा हिंस्रे मृदु क्रूरे धर्मा धर्मा वृथा वृदे तद्भाविताः प्रपद्यन्ते तस्मात् तत्तस्य रोचते इति प्रलीयमानम् अपि च इदं जगच्छक्त्या एव प्रलीयमानम् अपि च इदं जगच्छक्त्य अवशेषमेव प्रलीयते शक्तिमूलम् एव च प्रभवति इतरथा आकस्मिकत्व प्रसंगात् न च अनेकाकारा शक्तयः शक्याः कल्पयितुम् ततश्च विच्छिद्य अपि उद्भवताम् भूरादिलोकप्रवाहाणाम् च देवतिर्यङ्मनुष्यलक्षणानाम् प्राणिनिकाय प्रवाहाणाम् वर्णाश्रमधर्मफलव्यवस्थानाम् च अनादौ संसारे नियत्वम् इन्द्रियविषयसम्बन्ध नियत्ववत् प्रत्येतव्यम् न हि इन्द्रियविषयसम्बन्धादेः व्यवहारस्य प्रतिसर्गम् अन्यथात्वम् अन्यथात्वम् षष्ठेन्द्रियविषयकल्पम् शक्यम् उत्प्रेक्षितुम् अतश्च कल्पानां तुल्यव्यवहारत्वात् कल्पान्तरव्यवहार अनुसन्धान क्षमत्वात् च ईश्वराणां समाननामरूपा च प्रतिसर्गं विशेषाः प्रादुर्भवन्ति समाननामरूपत्वाच्च आवृत्तौ अपि महासर्ग महाप्रलयलक्षणायाम् जगतः अभ्युपगम्यमानायाम् न कश्चित् शब्द प्रामाण्यादिविरोधः समाननामरूपतां च श्रुति स्मृति दर्शयतः सूर्य चंद्रमसौ धाता यथा पूर्वम् अकल्पयत् दिवं च पृथ्वी चान्तरिक्षम् पृथ्वीं च अंतरिक्षम् अथो स्वः इति यथा पूर्वस्मिन् कल्पे सूर्यचन्द्रमप्रभृतिः जगत्क्लृप्तम् तथास्मिन्नपि कल्पे परमेश्वरो अकल्पयतीत्यर्थः। तथा निर्वा अकामयत् अन्नादयो देवानां स्यामिति स एवम् अग्नये कृत्तिकाभ्यः पुरोडाशम् अष्टाकपालम् निरवपत् इति नक्षत्रेष्टिविधौ यो अग्निर्निरवपत्यस्मै वाग्ने निरवपत्तयोः समाननामरूपतां दर्शयति इति। एवं जातीयका श्रुतिः इह उदाहर्तव्या स्मृतिरपि ऋषीणां नामधेयानि याश्च वेदेषु दृष्ट्यः शर्वयन्ते प्रसूतानां तानि एवेभ्यो ददाति यजः यथा ऋतुषु ऋतुलिंगानि नानारूपाणि पर्यये दृश्यन्ते तानि तानीव तथा भावायुगादिषु यथाभिमानिनः अतीतास्तुल्यास्ते साम्प्रतैः इह देवादेवैः अतीतैः इह रूपनामभिरेव इति जातीयका द्रष्टव्या। Strain on eyes. Is it light is less? Huh? Light is less. No, then you put all. Table lamp we should have. This is fine. Table lamp we can have. So we were seeing this sutra, which is the 30th sutra. And in this 30th sutra, the subject is that Artha Nityatvam Bhagwan Vedavyas is proving. If you remember, the topic of Devata having the body is going on. And it was said that Devata is having the body in the form that the species Devata exists and the Roop Devata, particular Devata, comes and goes. Now, to prove that point, it was said that the Shabd Nityatva, Artha Nityatva and Sambandha Nityatva will be required for Veda Pramanyam and Veda Nityatva. The words should be eternal, the meaning of the word should be eternal, and the relationship between the word and the meaning should be eternal. Then only Vedas will be eternal and Veda will be the proof authority. So if the word is eternal, that means Atacha Prabhavat, you heard in 28th Sutra, from the words have come the world. You heard that. So words are eternal. And their Bhashyakar had proved that the meaning of the word also is eternal. But Bhagavan Vedavyas had not proved that the meaning of the word is eternal. And there Bhashyakar had said that the meaning of the word is the jati, species, ness. The object comes and goes, particular object comes and goes, but the particular concept of that does not come and go. That goes into unmanifestation and then it manifests. But Bhagavan Vedavyas had not touched upon this point, and he is touching this point in the 30th Sutra. And for that, 4 causes were given which you saw yesterday. 4 causes. So, 4 causes for what? 4 causes to tell the eternity of universals. Eternity of universals. So I'm using another word. What is the word? One is individual, other is universals. Like the one goat is individual goat, but the goatness and the goat jati is universal. Universal means which goes in all. One goat does not go in all. One cow doesn't go in all, but cowness goes in all. This abstract noun, manness goes in all, cowness goes in all. Womanness goes in all women. Childness goes in all children. This is a common aspect that is called universals. I will use these words, so don't get surprised. Okay. So 4 reasons are there and very beautiful bhashya is there. Therefore I read. I didn't think I should read. I thought I will read the next sutra. But I was tempted to read the whole bhashya. Very beautiful bhashya is there. This is one of my favorite topics. So what is said here? First is the Shruti support I gave. And Shruti support, you saw that. I think you had underlined that. In page 338, Surya Chandrama Saum Dhata Yatha Purvama Kalpayat. This Parmeshwar or this God made the sun and the moon as was in the previous kalpa. Previous kalpa. So this making as the previous kalpa is given by the name Samana Nam Rupam. Nam Rup belong to the same universals or same class. There is no new thing is brought out. And then he gives the Smriti support, and you see the Mahabharata has been quoted in the Smriti support. Are you seeing Mahabharat quotation? There Mahabharat has been quoted, Yatha Abhimaninaha. So devatas of the current Srishti are similar to the devatas of the previous Srishti. So individual devatas may be different. Maybe last Kalp, Surya Devata may be different, but the Devataness is same. You had underlined, I think, Yatha Bhimanaha Atitaha, page 339. Tulyaha te Sampratayi iha. Sampratai means presently. Devaha devaihi atitaihi. Hi nam rupaihi namabhi eva iti evam jatiyaka drashtavya. So that is the Smriti Pramana. This is the 2 point here. Now he gives the next is called Yukti Pramana. Yukti means what? Logical proof. But please understand, always logic should be as per the Shastra, not independent. Because independent logic can go anywhere. What is there? What is the point here? Point here is that somebody is there. He does some good action. Now I'll show you in the Bhashya what is said here. What is said in the Bhashya here? Please see here. Page 337. Page 337. You see the Bhashya. So here it is said, see last but 3 line. So Bhuradi tatascha vichhidya api udbhavatam bhuradi lok pravahanam. You got it? Lok pravahanam cha devatriyam manushya lakshananam prani nikaya pravahanam varnashram dharma phal vyavasthanam cha anado sansari. In this world, bhur, so etc. And what is written here? Niyatatvam indriya vishaya sambandha. Very good, beautiful point is there. Underline that. Dekho, one is called indriya, other is called vishaya. Indriya and vishaya. Eye is like the particular form. Tongue like the particular taste. Ears like a particular sound. That is called niyatatvam indriya vishaya sambandha. Okay. So this person, this Jeev, wanted a particular sense object. He wanted a particular money to enjoy bodily pleasure. Or he wanted a swarga to enjoy some kind of bhog. Right? I don't think everybody is like you, don't want swarga. Or I don't want to enjoy. Why? People are there, jivas are there. Jivas are wanting to enjoy 100 things. If you go and ask the people, then you understand what they want. They say, just I want one child. I'm going through a lot to get one child I just want. For getting one child, they really go through so much of things I cannot tell you. They will go to India. They'll visit that ashram, that temple. They will do this donation just to have one child. And supposing that is not in their prarabdha, and that they passed away. So this desire will be now taken to the next. So they had done certain actions so that one child is not, no children is possible in this birth. Strong prarabdha is there. If weak prarabdha is there, so some effort child will come. But a strong prarabdha is there, child won't be there. But that desire does not die. I don't think everybody is hearing. Now, and the kalp came up, pralay came up. So this desire will be carried forward in the next birth now, next kalp. Or somebody wants lot of money. Or somebody wants a wife. or somebody wants a beautiful house. So there is a niyatattva. Niyatattva means certainty in the relation between sense organ and the object of sense organ. Not that he wanted a next birth, there is nothing called child. Lo. This birth I wanted a child. Next Srishti came, there is nothing called child, or there is nothing called good food, or there is nothing called apsara. I did lot of actions now. I did lot of actions in this birth to get the child. I went to X temple, Y temple. I did that mantra jap. But nothing happened. Nothing happened means that fruit has not got matured. Now this is carried forward now. Not that it is wasted here. It's not wasted. Once it so happened that somebody was very ill and they were doing Durga Saptashti Path so that he can recover. Baba came, he said, I think he will only wait 4 days, he will die. So evening he will pass. He said, but Baba, we have been doing Saptashti Path in his name. He said, next birth it will carry forward. So what he did, it is not wasted. He will get the fruit in the next birth as good health. Or whatever he wanted will be provided there in the next birth. So there is a certainty in the relation of the desired object and the desirer. So what he desired, if another thing comes up in the next Srishti, or it is not there at all, so his all fruit will be wasted now. All action will be wasted now. It is just like I deposited money for my university fees and university is closed. I deposited the fees for my university money. I'll get an admission in the next session, which is starting from, this is September, and January onward session is starting. In between, university got closed forever. Now all my money will be wasted. It's not like that. So Ishwar system is not like that. Even if the university is closed, they will either transfer you to the next university so that your money is not abandoned or wasted or embezzled by somebody. That is a bad system. That you do something and you don't get any fruit. When decision was there, many banks got like that in America. People lost lot of money. They deposited in the bank and bank itself had to close. Anyway, so please see, this is the underlined portion. Nahi indriya vishaya sambandhat vyavharasya pratisargam anyathatva. Nothing else like I wanted some apsara. Supposing somebody is there. Of this birth he did some kind of rituals so that he can live with apsaras. In the next birth, he can go to heaven. I told you, don't get surprised. I have seen all these things. I've seen people doing rituals to go to heaven. And don't think that, I don't want to go, because you may not believe. You want to go to America. So, but this person wanted to go. Ab next birth, all apsaras are cancelled. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. Or in place of apsaras, you will get some mangoes. No, I won't. Don't stop it like that. I wanted apsaras only. That when you go and for a token is there. So you say, I want to return this moong dal. I don't want. No, I want something else. No, you will get that only. It's not like that. You cannot do like this. कि बदल गया वहां पे तो अब अगली सृष्टि में बदल गया, ऐसा नहीं होगा फिर. सो इट इज रिटेनिंग नहीं इंद्रिय विषय संबंधादे व्यवहारस्य प्रतिसर्गम अन्यथात्वम. And then he says, Shasht Indriya Vishaya Kalpam Shakyam Utprekshatum. So It is like that. Shashtindriya means what? You are sleeping and you got up. You know that now one more sense organ has come up. Now one more sense organ requires one more sense object also. That is not possible. You slept with 5 sense organ and 5 sense object. When you wake up, you will have 5 sense organ and 5 sense object. If 6 comes, then you need an object also. My eyes has a form, nose has smell, ears has sound, and the skin has touch. Now supposing something else come up, we need another. There is no place. So if something else comes up, and then it has to be with everybody, then it is not possible. Therefore, or you cannot lose anything also. So this is the Yukti Praman which I had mentioned. I hope you understood. Atascha sarva kalpanam tulya vyavharatvat kalpantara vyavhara anustandhana kshamhatvat ishwaranam samananam rupabhyam cha pratisargam vishesha pradurbhavanti. I hope this point is very clear to you. This is the third point. Third point is there. Third point. Now what is the fourth point? Because he has done the actions, and he has lot of, and a person is not that he did only one. A person has crores of sanchit karma phal. Crores, which cannot be exhausted here. And all his fruit are based on this particular karma phal which he has seen in this world. If similar one will not come, then he cannot get the fruit. If similar world doesn't come, he cannot get the fruit. Because his fruit are based on what he had done and seen in the present kalp. And therefore a similar one is required. Otherwise he will be deprived, or he will be getting something for what he has not done. So that will become a problem. This is the third reason. Okay? He did some bad actions. The fruit is as per that particular kalp. Good and bad both. Now next kalp does not have that provision of giving that fruit. ये तो गड़बड़ हो गया फिर. That means that bad actions will not get the fruit now. So that system is not creating a proper justice system is not there. Or some very good actions he had done. And he has done the action keeping what is seen in the mind. He saw people get famous by giving certain things. So let me do Annadan. Let me do Annadan. Annadan, I'll get fame. My family may prosper. And therefore whole life he gave Annadan. That Annadan, what he gave, all fruit could not come. He wanted prosperity and fame of good family. So out of 100% fruit, only 20% could be given. 80% of the fruit are remaining now. Next kalp comes, and supposing this provision of kalp itself is not there, then all actions are wasted now. So that will be injustice done to this person or GG. So there is a niyat sambandh, a definite relationship between the enjoyer and enjoyed world. So enjoyed world should be same for the enjoyer to get the fruit of action. Is a third logic. Fourth logic. What is the fourth logic? Fourth logic was that anything cannot perish completely. Anything does not go through 100% destruction. I hope you are following what I am saying. It cannot go through total destruction of something. Achha, haan. The power of that thing remains. Power of that thing remains. Not that thing has been totally annihilated. Now, supposing the flame is there. Flame. The flame of a fire. You extinguish that fire. So that flame, that manifest fire has gone to unmanifest fire. unmanifest fire. So not that energy is not destroyed. Energy is convertible. Okay, why energy is not destroyed? Because anything cannot go to nothing. Existence cannot go to non-existence, and therefore it will definitely have something. Now, with this logic, this is the fourth logic. And therefore a thing is existing in a potential form. Okay, it is existing in the potential form. So what is written here? I will take you to page 336. What is in? It is in page 336. What is said here? Please see that it is written in page 4th line. Praninam va sukha prapte dharmo vidhiyate. For doing dharma is done to get the good fruit. Dukkha pariharaya cha adharma pratishidyate. For getting out of sorrow, it is said you should not do adharma. So drishta anushravika sukha dukkha vishayo cha rag desho bhavatah. This way, he has rag and dvesh with sorrows and joy. Na vilakshana vishayau iti atah dharma dharma bhoot phal bhootottara srishti nishpadyamana puru srishti sadrisha. So he has to get the same fruit. Please written here, underline this from Vishnu Purana. Smrtischa tesham ye yani karmani prag srishtyam pratipedire. So it is written here. So whatever actions they were doing in earlier srishti, they will do the same action in the next srishti. See what is written here. Tesham ye yani karmani prag srishtyam pratipedire tani evate prapadyante srijamana punah punah. What actions they were doing in the past creation, that will continue in the next creation. Is it clear now? Now, and therefore, see what is written here. Himsraha hinsre. Those who are cruel animals, they will become cruel only. Even after billion of years. Himsraha himsre. See? This is in Vishnu Purana. Mrudu krure. Himsraha ahimsre mrudu krure. So those who are soft will become soft in the next creation. Dharma adharmau. Adharma adharmau. Rit anrite. Tad bhavita prapadyante. They will be born as the same one. Acha. Tasmat tasya tasmat tat tasya rochate. And therefore, they like to be like that as per their samskar. As is they are born with what samskar, that alone they like. So even though there has been a pralay, and I told you pralay yesterday, 1 day and 1 night. 1 day of Brahmaji was equivalent to, remember that? Huh? Again, you all don't remember. 43,000 lakhs for 4.3 thousand million. 44.3 thousand million, that means 4,300 million years is 1 day of Brahmaji. And similar is the length of the night of Brahmaji. And after after that night of Brahmaji, they will be reborn with their same nature. अब you be happy, you be sad, I don't know. Imagine. That means if you are doing jap, happy point is this, sadhana won't be lost. But if you are doing bad thing, that bad thing will be angry person. Passionate person will be passionate person. Huh? And scholarly person will be born as a scholar. What do you mean? That power in that jeev, particular samskar, that is not dying. That will be as it is. It is well secured in the freezer. Like you have rotis, frozen rotis and frozen peas and frozen vegetables, tin ones. It can be kept for months together. I don't know how long they can be kept. Years. My God. Years together. Oh. You can just take it out and you can just roast it. Frozen rotis are there. Fridge has done lot of damage, I feel. Fridge and microwave. One is too hot, other is too cold. Earlier days, fridge was not there. Fresh food culture was more prevalent. Anyway, see what is written here, 337 page. खूब समझ लो and make it pakka in your mind. If you read in Bhagavad, Narad ji died and next kalp came. I don't even remember or not. And when Narad ji died, he was a devotee. Next kalp when it came, he was born as Narad with the Veena. As a devotee he was born. So good news is that all your samskar, what hard work you are doing, your jap puja samskar, it won't be lost. Not that you did lot of jap and all is lost, now I have to start from the scratch. And therefore a person is born with the tendency, which it is difficult to change. So next kalp also he is born. Praliya manam apicha idam jagat shaktya avashesha meva praliyate. You got that point? So, Jagat Shakti Avashesham Eva Praliyate. It is written here. What is written here? When this world is dissolved in the Pralay, so that is remaining as the power only. Like I am sleeping. Now, my power of speech is retained. So, power of every world is retained. Praliyamanam api cha idam jagat shakti avashesham eva praliyate. It is there. Kya baat hai? Whole power is retained of that person. This is the fourth reason. Why we are a set of power inside. My power of walking, power of talking, power of thinking, power of walking, power of seeing, power of smelling, power of eating, power of digesting. Hundreds of powers are there in this body. So when you are sleeping, your expression is gone, but all the powers are retained. But they are non-operative power. They are sleeping powers. So Jagat Shakti avashesham eva praliyate. So that is in the form of that power is there. And then what happens in the Srishti? That power expresses as the name and form. I'm talking now. That power which was already sleeping now, it has got up now. Sleeping person cannot walk. But moment the power is active, the sleeping person can walk also. So the unmanifest has come to the manifestation now. Underline that portion. And then it is said, 337, first two line. And then next, very beautiful, Shakti Moolam Evcha Prabhavati. Shakti Moolam, this world, which is the big power world, that Prabhavati, that again it expresses, that power again expresses as the world. That power again expresses as the world. You saw that. So nothing, power is now, you cannot kill the power. Shakti, you cannot kill that Shakti. That again expresses as the whole world. So only the manifestation of the world has gone. Power cannot be annihilated. Power is only unmanifested or manifested. You cannot kill the power. You can kill the expression of a person. You say, don't talk at all. Don't talk, keep quiet. He can keep quiet. But his power of talking, you cannot kill that power. Somebody's leg is cut, suppose. So his leg is cut, but power of walking is still there. He will get an expression. And therefore he will put artificial leg. And from the artificial leg, he starts expressing his power. The artificial leg is there. The power got the instrument through which it can express. So this whole world is in the form of a big power. This is a rule. You cannot kill the power. You cannot finish the power. You may be feeling that I am tired. I have no power remaining to talk. But that power will recoup after some time. When you say I am drained out or I am tired, that means your power cannot express, but power is not dead. It cannot express only. I cannot express my power. I am tired of walking. You can say I am tired of walking. That is fine. But your instrument is tired. But not that power is off. Power is not gone. You don't have an instrument through which you can walk. This leg and muscles are tired. And if you have practiced for a long time, these muscles, then still you can express the power for a long time. That power is changing into the instrument, expression, and again impression. So power does not die. It expresses and it unfolds and folds. It folds and unfolds itself. That is the only work of power. We cannot annihilate the power. So this whole world is in the form of a power only. In the pralaya, there is nothing else. So Agni is in the form of power, Vayu is in the form of power, Prithvi is in the form of power. Shakti Rupa it is there. This is the Devi's aspect, which we will see in the Navratra again. Navratra is coming in October. 17th October onwards is Navratra. So again we will see so we had seen power of Devi worship the last few years. So again you will see that. That is the power of that. That is Shakti is there. If the power dies away, then where from object will come out? This is the fourth reason. See what is written here. And then he gives the reason. Please see. Itaratha akasmikatva prasangat. If the power is no more, then thing will come without power, which is causeless. Nothing comes without power. This is a law. Everything comes from unmanifest to manifest. Akasmic means without cause. Kasmat bina. Are you seeing that word? Akasmik itaratha akasmikatva prasangat. Okay. Is it clear now? This is the third reason. No, fourth reason. Fourth reason. I am repeating it, making it more clearer so that you have a clear understanding of that. Bhashyakar gives last reason. And there you have to go back now. Go to page 335. In the fifth reason he gives. What is the fifth reason he gives? And therefore, eye transplantation is there. Eye is transplantation. What? Eye donation, what is eye donation? Power of seeing is already there. He doesn't have an instrument of seeing. Don't close that in making sound. Tuck, tuck, tuck. See, when you put the eyes, they say when a person dies, within few hours, I don't know how many hours, few hours you have to take the eyes. And the one who is blind means the instrument is okay, not okay. But power of vision is there. Power, therefore they take the eyes out and they put this transplanted eyes. Similarly, the kidney case is there. I don't know about liver transplantation is there or not. Is there? Liver transplantation. So that Shakti is always there. You cannot kill that Shakti in a person. One who is dumb. What do you mean of dumb? Dumb person doesn't mean he doesn't have a tongue. He has a tongue also. But the Indri is not there. Sound he can always make. Power of making sound he has. Power of making letter he doesn't have. He also screams when he has pain. Power of sound he has. But distinctly he cannot pronounce the words and the letters. Similarly, when paralysis is there, the leg is not there properly. And if he can get that power, the expression, then he can start speaking also. So and infinite powers are there. Power of earth, power of moon, power of sun, power of stars. When this whole thing goes into unmanifest, all power go into dormant state, non-expressive power. And when the world is starting, then the power gets into expressive power now. Power cannot be annihilated. This is the principle. Please note one point. This I have been emphasizing in evening classes also. Power does not belong to Jeev. Yes, from a Jeev, power can be taken away. You do certain action, your power will enhance. You do certain action, your power will decrease. You can see also. So, supposing, you case I can't see eye to eye. Or, supposing you have to give a talk. Supposing. 5 o'clock is your talk. And supposing 4 o'clock or that day was very bad day. You fought with someone, you said bad words to somebody, you thought. After that, when you will come to talk, your power will not be there of speech. You will feel that I am not able to express. That Shakti has gone away. And same day if you do jap, supposing. You do jap for 2 hours and 3 hours and 4 hours. That you will have more power. So there is a process through which you can get the power and lose the power. And therefore saints etc. do austerity to retain that Ishwaratyant. Therefore they do a lot of Gayatri japa is there. And they therefore follow their rules etc. I went to Sringeri Shankaracharya. They don't give prasad like this. They will not touch. They'll do like this. They will not, you cannot touch them also. From a distance, they will give you like this. If they maintain their own rules by this, their rules, why should you say anything? Certain thoughts you bring of God, you will have another level of power. Eyes loses the power if you see bad. Ear loses the power if you hear something bad. And same thing, if you hear very good, then you will feel okay, something has gone. So there is a law through which the power comes and goes. And that availability of the power of a person, that is called teja of a person. They say he is a brilliant. You do something wrong, and therefore when you say something, you feel that speech doesn't have that strength in the person. Now, fifth praman. And last praman is, he gives anubhuti, or our experience praman is there. He said in the deep sleep, the word and their meaning, both are there. Both exist. In the deep sleep. And next day it comes into being. Word also comes and the meaning also comes and the relation also comes. And same thing happens in the pralay. The Purva Paksh came back, if you remember. He's a deep sleep, I can understand, because every day next I see. But when I come out from the pralay, I don't remember anything. Then it was told, that is your problem, you don't remember, because your capacities are very less. You are not the one who has that instrument of seeing. You have a very limited instrument of seeing. And then there are rishis, or there are extraordinary jivas who remember the previous srishti, who are mentioned by the word Ishwar here. See, in the 334 page, last line, Satyapi sarva vyavhar uchchedani mahapralaye parmeshwar anugrahad ishwaranam. Here ishwaranam means extraordinary jivas. Hiranya garbhadinam, who are like devatas. Kalpantar vyavhar anusandhan upapatte. They remember the last birth. Last kalp they remember. We can't remember last birth. Last birth? Hare, I can't remember last year. Last year? You don't remember yesterday's talk. Hare, no, not that bad. I remember yesterday's talk. No, you can't remember ditto. Ditto I cannot remember. I remember something was being talked. Exactly, I don't remember. And as the time will pass, slowly dust will come up and you will find in that house. So, kalpantar vyavhar anusandhanopatte. Then what is written? Yadyapi, page 335. Yadyapi prakritaha praninaha. Prakrita means ordinary jivas. Na janmantar vyavharam anusandhana drishyante. We don't see that they remember the past birth. Tathapi na prakritvad ishwaranam bhavitavyam. Great jivas are not like ordinary ones. यथाहि प्राणित्व अविशेषे अपि मनुष्यादि स्तंभ पर्यंतेषु ज्ञान ऐश्वर्यादि प्रतिबंधः, because their knowledge and their powers are very obstructed. There is a regression is there, where they take you to the past birth by taking you to meditation, etc. So parena bhuyan bhavan drishyate तथा मनुष्यादिषु एव हिरण्यगर पर्यंतेषु ज्ञान ऐश्वर्यादि अभिव्यक्तिरपि परेण भूयसी भवेत्. So it is written here, ततश्च अतीत कल्प अनुष्ठित प्रकृष्ट ज्ञान कर्मणाम ईश्वराणाम. What upasana they have done, because of that they can see the past birth also and past kalp also. When? In the present one. Vartman kalpadau pradurbhavatam parmeshwar anugrahitanam. Because they have the grace of God. And how? Supta pratibuddhavat kalpantara vyavahara anusandhana uppatti. Like a person gets up from the sleep and he remembers. Are you seeing that? And this is a very famous line. Yo Brahmanam, underline that. Yo Brahmanam, 33, 35 page, last 3 lines. Yo Brahmanam vidadhati purvam. That Paramatma, who? God. Here Paramatma is God. Vidadhati purvam. He appointed one Brahmaji. Oh, that you are the Brahma. Why? Because you are very exalted Jeev. And yo vai vedamsha prahinoti tasmai. And he taught him, or he made Ved appear in his whole mind. Oh. Then tamha devam atmabuddhi prakashakam. So, who illuminate the intellect to that God, vimumukshuhu, take refuge. Are you getting this? So there is a possibility that there are Jeev who have developed their power of remembering the past birth because of their upasana ityadi. This is an interesting point, and this line, you underline that, these 2 lines, Shvetashvatara Upanishad is there. So new Brahma comes by the grace of God. In that Brahma, what? He remembers the past kalp because of his upasana. Because he is the same Brahma. Next day has come after the next sleep. He is a Brahma, the next day is there. And that God, he reflects in him all jivas, their fruits of action, their actions, everything flashes in his mind. Only how it flashes in his mind? Like in your mind it flashes that what you did in the last day, who was your father 10 years back, you remember or not? At least something you remember. Then 10 years, 15 years back, you remember I was born as a child, I was going in the school, I was beaten. So you remember that or not? So similarly, but dog doesn't remember. Dog does not remember he was a puppy one day. Or who is his father also. Cat does not remember. Cow does not remember that I was a calf and she is my mother. So after 5 years, if in front of the calf the same mother comes, she won't recognize. Very rare that she will recognize. That power is not in them, which is in us. Mosquito doesn't remember same day also. We have more upasana, we have more karma, that this has been blessed that you can remember that day also. So we have the blessing that we can remember our childhood and the past. Some greater exalted jivas have the blessing that they can go in the past birth also remember. And more than Brahmaji, he can remember the whole kalp. That means he can remember the last kalp of 4.3 million years also. Such great blessings, the grace has been conferred on it. A very surprising example. Yes, it is surprising. It has been graced by, anugrahit word has been written here. These are the 5 reasons. I'll come back to it tomorrow. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om.